PATH beneficiaries will see an increase in their disbursements come June. While making his contribution to these sectoral debates, Minister of Labour and Social Security Carl Samuda said PATH benefits are reviewed every 2 years to ensure that the purchasing power of the amount paid is maintained.
Cabinet recently approved an average increase of 18.26%, amounting to an additional $1.4 billion to PATH beneficiaries for implementation in a matter of weeks, not months.
The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated plans within the ministry for more beneficiary families to collect their payments via electronic payment methods.
And I know that the younger generation appreciates this. Old people like me and Delroy and Audley, we are not in this age. So I have to look around to the youngsters, the ones who are coming. We are going, they are coming. The percentage of beneficiary families paid by electronic methods increased from 14% in fiscal year 2019-2020 to 40% during the current fiscal year.
Minister Samuda notes that during the financial year 2021-2022, the government disbursed $8.34 billion to some 140,000 families on PATH. He says a further $1.385 billion was delivered to PATH families under the SERVE program to cushion the economic hardship brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic.